This is the 8th episode of my trading challenge, traded from just $100. And today, the account has hit $105,000. Okay, let's keep the challenge going and find out how far this strategy can really go. Okay, today I'm going to use my super strategy again. Yes, the green line strategy. And this market is exactly what we look for when using the green line setup. The first reason is that we already have 5 candles moving above the green line, and both the MACD line and histogram bars are rising sharply. So let's open a buy position on this market and entry when the candle touches or approaches the green line. Okay, our first trade has been opened. Can my super strategy make a profit? Okay, let's see the result. Oh God, it's so close. Okay, I will enter another buy position in this market since the previous candle closed firmly above the green line. And the second reason I believe this market will keep going up is because the green line is still moving sharply upward. This is a sign that the market is in a strong uptrend. Okay, let's go back to the chart and see the result of our second trade. Great! Our second trade closed in profit again. So easy, right? Yes. This strategy is so simple and effective that even beginners can use it confidently. Okay, in the next trade, I'm going to try compounding my capital again. But I will trade in another market, because this market already has for red bars on the MACD indicator. So let's look for another good moment in another market. Okay, this one. This market, like the previous market, the reason is that we already have 5 candles moving above the green line, and both the MACD line and histogram bars are rising sharply. So let's open a buy trade on this market. Great, perfect entry position. Entry when the candle approaches the green line. Will my magical strategy make a profit again? Okay, let's see again for the result. Great! Another profit from my super strategy. We can enter this market again because the green line is still sharply pointing upward and the volume bars on the MACD indicator haven't shown for red bars yet, which means the uptrend is still strong. In the next trade, I'm going to reduce my entry size because my profit is already enough to cover today's trading capital. So even if this trade ends in a loss, we are still in a profitable position. This is the safe and proper way to compound our trades. Okay, let's wait until the candle touches or gets close to the green line again for the perfect entry setup. Okay, the trade has been entered. This is how I trade. I always wait for the right moment to take a position. Your patience determines your profit. The longer you wait for the right moment, the safer and stronger your trades become. Patience is the strength behind every winning trader. Without patience, even the best strategy becomes useless. That's the real key to earning consistent profits in trading. Okay, back to the chart and let's see for the result. Great! Profit again and again. This is the result of true patience. Okay, I will trade again on this market, but I'll wait for the candle to break the resistance area first, so we get a clear confirmation trend. If this resistance gets broken, I'll take another buy position at the green line. But if it doesn't break, then I'll look for opportunities in another market. The green line strategy becomes even more powerful when it meets a resistance or support area. If the resistance breaks, the momentum continues, and if it fails, we prepare for a reversal. That's why confirmation is everything. Okay, let's see where the market is going to move. Okay, the resistance level has been broken. This is a sign that the market will continue upward. So let's enter a buy trade when the candle touches the green line. Okay, the trade has been entered, but this entry is not good because it is still far from the green line. Okay, let's prepare for Martingale 1 level. It seems this trade might end in a loss, so we'll use Martingale level 1 and open another buy because the candle is still closing above the green line. Okay, Martingale 1 level has been entered, and let's see again for the result. Oh god, it's so very close. Okay, I'll open another buy because the candle is still closing above the green line again. Nice one. The trade has been entered, and let's see again for the results. Great! It's so really great! Profit at the last second. Okay, we can't trade on this market anymore because there are already 5 red bars on MACD indicator. Therefore, let's look for a better opportunity in another market. Okay, this one. This is a green line moment at a support breakout. Like I said earlier, the green line strategy becomes even more powerful when it meets a resistance or support area. And when a support level breaks like this, then the market will continuing the trend. So let's open a sell trade on this market. And it seems that I will trade for 2 minutes in this market. Yes, to avoid unstable market volatility. Okay, 3 trades has been entered, and let's see for the results. Great! All of my trades ended in profit, and now my balance has hit $118,000. Okay, let's trade again for the last. Okay, this one. This market is just like the previous one, where the support level has already been broken. So let's take a sell trade here as well. Great. The trade has been entered, and this will be our last trade for today. I'm going to end the session whether this trade wins or loses, because we've already reached my daily profit target, which is 10% of the account balance. Okay, let's take a look at how our final trade turned out. Oh god, that was so close. We ended with 1 break-even trade and 1 winning trade. This strategy is truly incredible. Yes, only 1 loss out of 12 trades. And my profit for today has reached $15,000. This is above the target profit for today. Okay, I think that's enough for today's session. If you want to learn this strategy the right way, feel free to text me on Telegram. The link to my official Telegram is in the description of this video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode, and happy profits!